Welcome back, and today we're going to see how to cascade your display settings of the monitor from horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. The first step in this is going to the Windows here and click on that. So you'll get desktop, click on that desktop. Now anywhere on the desktop you click right click and you get these options. Over there you say personalize, and over here on the left side there is a display. Now under the display you have got the options, different various options: adjust resolution, adjust brightness, calibrate color, change display settings. This is the uh, thing of our interest. Click on that and you get this. Now over here, now since your display is horizontal and we would like to make it vertical, or in other words it is now landscape form and we would like to make it in portrait form. So where I come, click on portrait and then I say apply.